to today's ENCANTO vocal warm-up exercises. If you're new here, be sure to click that subscribe button, and if you like free sheet music, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and check out the links in the description box for some of your favorite ENCANTO songs. We found some free sheet music that we'd like to share with you, but without any further ado, let's get started singing. Humming and on an ooh vowel, we will sing ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go a little bit faster. The vowels E and Ah, we will sing E-ah, E-ah, E-ah. 1 and 2, deep breath, 3, 4. E-ah, E-ah, E-ah. This next exercise is for songs in the movie that are a little bit faster. So on the ah vowel, we will sing. So our first scales are a little bit slower. Ah, ah. Then they go faster. Ah. And we will speed this up as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. step, we've got a 5-note scale on Zing. Z-I-N-G. Zing, 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 zing. 2, 3, and 4. Zing, 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 zing. So this next exercise is all about helping you hold out longer notes. So on an ooh vowel, you're going to sing each of these notes for 4 counts. It will sound like this. And you'll hear the piano play underneath you. All together it will sound like this. Catch a breath in the middle of this run. It is actually called a catch breath. Put yours in wherever you need it. We're going to do 2 or 3 of these and we will speed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. As fast as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4. On a nice tall ah vowel, let us sing ah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last but not least, on a hum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Thank you guys so much for joining us today for these vocal warm-ups. Make sure once again to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and happy singing. Bye!